Hello friends. So today we have about discuss about to the integration testing, how we can perform to the integration testing in a Flutter. So let's start with the basic idea how we can perform to the integration testing. So let's come on the official documentation of the integration testing. So I have followed these steps and I have completed the integration testing successfully by this package of integration testing. So here you can see create the app to the test. So we have to the basic idea how we can create to the app. That's the counter app. It's a by default Flutter app. So let's start to the Flutter app. Here you can see here's my VS code. So new project, like application, we are selecting to the application, create a folder. What's the name? Like integration underscore testing underscore app. Enter. Wait for the completing. Yeah, you can see here is the like Flutter give me the code by default, and we need to test to the integration testing. So it is the by default code by the Flutter. Increment count, you can push the button to multiple times, increment. So let's follow the documentation again. Second, add the integration test to the dependencies. So here you can see the dev dependencies, and this one the Flutter test, and here the integration test. Just copy to the dev dependencies and go to the pub.yml. In the pub.yml, you go to the dev dependencies. Here is the dependencies, but we need to the dev dependency. Yeah, here you can see the dev dependency. So paste it here and run the command flutter pubget. So here you can see flutter pubget running. The integration testing I think successfully installed, zero problems. So let's go with the documentation. Create the test file. So third step is the create to the test files. We need to the create folder, create directory integration testing with an empty app test dot files. So let's start this one. I go here's I tap to the folder and just paste the integration testing. Okay, integration testing, integration, okay, underscore test. Like we can give the naming combination like this, integration, okay, integration test, and then enter. In the inner you can see here, you can see counter leave main dot and then integration testing and the app dot. So out of the leave, we need to create to the integration testing test. So we have created to this folder like this one. When we can delete it also and show you again. Integration test like this and enter, and the second one is app test dot. So here we need to app test dot create to the one file like this in the integration testing. Why it's showing in the inner of the integration testing? Wait, I will delete it again and go to the integration testing, integration test. Then we need to just paste it here. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah, now it's fine. Previously it's creating in a iOS folder, so that's why I'm deleting this file. So in the inner you can see the inner, we need to the import like this file, new file, and the file name gonna say like apptest dot. So here we need to the imported all the necessary files to the testing of integration test. So let's start. So first of all we need to the import to the package, import new packages like packages, which package, where the first package is the like material package. So let's start to the importing to material package, the first one, and the second one we need to the import to the Flutter test, and let's go Flutter, sorry, import the packages. Which package we need to the integration test, this one, integration test dot, this one file we need to the test. And let's the last, here we need to the like import with the as a app packages, and here you can see packages like integration testing app underscore as app slash main dot as app. We need to install as app. Okay, let's done this. And the one more file we need to import here. Package. Okay, import package flutter test this one. So here is the main file is imported, and let's start with the code. So first of all we need to the void function for the testing purpose, void function, and then main. So void function, and the inner ensure the Flutter initialized, our app is initialized for the integration testing purpose. So let's import this one, ensure integrate integration test with Flutter binding, this one, and that's initialized. Okay, after that we need to the test widgets. Here is some description what we need to the test here. So here we need to the our testing like increment counter by 10, like this. So here's the widget tester. So in widget tester, okay, so here you can see the null data and remove it. After that, here's some methods. In the method we need to import our app file. So app dot main, so main. So let's import it. That when we are going to the main, here you can see we can just directly navigate to the main dot. Hope I think you are understand. So this package we need to provide to the directly navigation for directly testing to the app of main dot. So in the app main dot, here we need to the await and the tester. Why it's not taking? There's the some error. The undefined name, the await is functionality what is not meant to us. Okay, we need to async. So let's fix this issue. And the async, that's async is added, and then await, and here we need to the tester dot pump and settles. So basically this pump or settles is basically do these things. We need to just navigation of this to other page. It's provided to the navigation of to the next screen. So basically this one provided. So first we need to find the widgets which one we need to the test it. So here you can directly go to the main, and here you can see the what we need to test. Just like first we run to the Flutter app, Flutter run, then I will explain you. So here you can see the text and like this the icons. When we press to the icon, this one, the increment of the text is increased, right? Let me show you in the code with emulator. So when we press to this one, the counter will be increased, so we need to test. So basically the idea is when we press on this plus button, then text will be increased. So here we need to find to this icon. The basically integration testing is depend upon this one. We need to just find the right widget we need to test. So here you can see final. So here we need to one finder for the testing. It is just a call of one times button is equal to find by icon. Which icon goes in the code in the main. So here you can see icon dot add. So we need to just copy this one and paste it here. Icon add. Okay, the value is local variable button is not used to try to okay, no issue. Because we need to this icon in below. So here is the find the widget. So let's put it here name like find the widget. Okay, the widgets to target. Then let's continue with okay. So here we need to do something, this icon we need to do on this icon, like when we need to press. So here written the code for the what we need to perform on the press, like int I is equal to 0, int okay I is equal to 0. Okay, then I 10. After that I plus plus okay. So this one. So here we need to do some brackets, and here we need to call tester. So tester, what we can do, so tester do this one like tester dot tab. So just tester tab, what the finder will be this button. So paste it here, button, got it. Then close it, then await. Like we need to some delay because you are not seeing any further things. Okay, future dot delayed const duration like which seconds 3 second 2 second like is enough for the C. After that you just navigate to the find to widget of the new one. So here await and tester dot pump and settles. So this is the code. Here we can do the find the icon. First find the icon, this one we can find it. Then what we need to perform here, when we tester is pressed, here you can see the tester will be tap of the button, right, tap of the button, and then await for the 2 seconds. And after that, when the tester is pressed, then we need to the navigate, like find navigate for find something like 1 2 3 4 like this text. So here we need to the accepted result, what we accepted. So here we can just return it like accepted. Okay, accepted. This one, find dot text. Which text? We need to like 10, and the matcher find one widget. At least we need to the one widget here. Wait. Text here 10, and then outer side find the one widget at least. So this is the our accepted result. So, and the running for the run, here you can see for the running, here you can see the run of the integration testing. We all done these things, and then we need to just this one testing, copy it and then paste it here. Okay, terminal, so paste it. So the command is the flutter integration test, this one, and the slash app test the dot this one, and then enter. What we can do not exist the run. What is this? Flutter integration test. Okay, Flutter integration test, that's fine, I think. Integration test. Okay, here app underscore test dot. Does not exist. Why it's not existing? Fine, understanding it's working fine. Flutter test integration test underscore slash app test dot. This in the command is fine, but why material should be enclosed? Try to reference the statement in the block. Okay, not an issue. This one. And loading. And we plan name, and this is the loading. Integration testing. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let me restart again my VS Code. Okay, restart done. So here we need to just paste it, this one, and then enter. Here you can see the testing have start. I just go with this mouse. Here you can see the tester will be tapped on the plus icons, and the counter will be increased automatically. So it's accepted result find, then all tests will be passed. Then here you can see when we put the 11 and run it again, we clear the terminal and enter it, we got the wrong data, so it's throwing error. The all test will be not passed. Let's see. So here you can see the tester will be tapped at the 10 times, at the 11 times accepted result, but in the loop it's not allowed, so some test will be failed. So that is the basic idea of the how we can perform to the integration testing. And I have also mentioned the one thing more, like how we can use to the patrol test. It is the modified version of the integration testing. So in the next video we can discuss about to the patrol test. And also I have mentioned in the description how we can find to the patrol test and perform it. Thank you guys.